So whenever you're doing a self-tape or you're doing any kind of acting audition or anywhere where you're meeting somebody, even if it's a networking or anything like that, one of the things I love to do is always have a little bit of a warm-up before I go. I make sure that I stretch the body out. I make sure that I'm feeling light, I'm feeling easy, I'm feeling relaxed. So you can start with a couple of lip trills, all these little things like that. Just start to get things moving, and then give yourself a little bit of a hum, and start humming and bring it forward in sound. And after you've done that just a little, you'll start to feel that you resonate more, and your energy will communicate better to the people you're working with. It'll communicate better on camera and with people in the room. And make sure you're drinking loads and loads of water. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is to lose out on water. Water is what keeps us all moving, and really, really very vital. So keep doing that and let me know how things are going. By the way, if you've never had your free 30-minute coaching call with me, drop me a line and let's sort that out. See you soon, guys. Bye now.